Now consider the ijth entry in B dash. B that is equal to matrix Bij, where Bij is equal to, is what your B dash B means. You have taken product of those two matrices. So here in that product, one element is taken, ith row and jth column elements you have multiplied. That multiplied element you are getting this. Suppose I is not equal to j, then this is not equal to 0 for some this, because if I equal to j, then we know that in that matrix we are getting elements are is equal to 0. That is in adjacent matrix we are getting diagonal elements are equal to 0. Therefore, if it is not equal to 0 means it must be BRI equal to 1 and BRJ equal to 1. The matrix VR, the vertex VR is incident to the edges E1 and EJ, or the edges E1 and EJ have the common incident vertex, namely VR itself. So therefore E1 and EJ are adjacent. So that is what how to draw that line graph. On that basis we have tried this theorem. For S not equal to, or the vertex VS cannot be common incident vertex of E1 and EJ. Otherwise we get multiple edges. So we know multiple edges are not possible in simple graphs. Hence from equation 1 we are getting Bij equal to 1 for all I not equal to j. And next for I equal to j, I equal to j, Bi equal to B1 I square plus B2 I square plus and so on Bpi square. We here we observe that B1I, B2I, so on up to Bpi are the entries in the ith column in B. And we know that every ith column in B contains exactly 2 ones. So hence the equation to exactly 2 terms equal to 1. In this equation 2 exactly 2 terms are equal to 1, because already that note we have written. It contains exactly, every column contains exactly 2 ones. Therefore, so in this two exactly 2 terms are equal to 1. So therefore in this 2 terms are equal to 1, therefore what we are getting, Bii equal to 2, because exactly 2 terms are 1 plus 1 is 2 for all I equal to j. So what we have here, Bij is equal to 1 if Ei is not equal to Ej, and otherwise if I not equal to j, in that condition we are getting 1 and 0 2 cases. Whenever I equal to j, in that case we are getting it is 2. So now Aij is 1 if Ei and Ej are adjacent, it is 0 otherwise, and Aij equal to 0 for I equal to j. So therefore, for I not equal to j, Aij equal to Bij. This Bij consider. Aij is not equal to Bi, I is not equal to j. In that case, we have this Aij equal to Bij, but Ai equal to 0 and Bii equal to 2. So that is what identity matrix means. Diagonal elements we are getting. In Bii, diagonal elements are 2. That 2 you have to subtract. So you are getting it is equal to 0. So therefore you have to take minus 2iq. Then 2iq has every non-diagonal element zeros and diagonal entries 2. So those you have to subtract. So you are getting that is equal to the adjacency matrix. So therefore, adjacency matrix of line graph is always equal to B dash B minus 2iq. Yes, here it will end now, so that I will stop this, and in tomorrow class I will continue this matrix tree theorem.